Welcome back to WTV. I'm still here, no Prof. I'm still here learning, and I hope you are still learning now, Prof. Without wasting time, and just briefly, someone was saying, hey, Brakevi, no, you know, sometimes I want to know just what are you talking about? Prof, Amadoda.
Nasikhuluma ngamadoda Brakevi sikhuluma ngabotokoloshi. Abotokoloshi abakwazi ukwenza umsebenzi wenzeka. Abotokoloshi okwazi ukubathuma bayokuthathela into ethize, not ukubulala abama babulala umuntu. Bakhona lapho ukubulala. Masikhuluma ngamadoda sikhuluma ngento eyakhiwa from parts. Uma ubhekile lapho ubona indoda nemfazi. Uma ungabhekanga ngizothi isigodo sasemfuleni. Kanti akusisigodo sasemfuleni ebusuku iyaguquka lento iba umuntu. So amadoda aye aconnectiswe nelimi lemuntu bese kuyavuswa lento iyakhuluma, but ayikwazi ukukhula ilingane na ikhula na ifike la ibe nentsho uyibona ukuthi lento indala and then enye entsho bakhona iba incane. Mobhekile uzathi asisho ukuthi labantu laba uNkulunkulu abanisho ubude siba estimate labo bade kunamadoda amadoda
all right. So nizwele ngamadoda. So the question becomes yini engayenza ngamadoda, like ukuthumela ukubulala abantu, what else can you do with amadoda?
Amadoda is not for killing, guys. Amadoda ukuthi ungathuma ukuthi maybe ayiphakamsana business lami, ungathuma ukuthi ithathana imali, ungathuma ukuthi ngibambisene nabo izinto ezidila ngabo amadoda ukuthatha imali ukuphakamisa ibusiness yakhe. Hey, ayikhona amadoda man, ngiyashota gijimani lekhali nongidandlela lela phephe babuye nalo le phephe. Hey, gijimani madoda nongibambela leya moto itshontshiwe. Uyangivisisa Brakevi bathuma ukulanda izinto mara ayi boyiguga le moto babe bayilahlela kuyoyibamba le moto uthi ingahambi.
Okay. So I don't want to go back into Boys and then whatever, because I think she could be lento Boys. So the question becomes, okay, mabati amadoda omgede, amadoda entabeni, what are they talking about? Is it the same thing or is it different things?
Brakevi, I don't wanna lie. Kunabantu abanokhuluma ngamadoda omgede, bakhuluma ngani, abanye bakhuluma ngomgede. Singabantu mina ngwazi umgede ngazi umgodi. So mina abama amadoda ahlala emgodini bese mangosifuna ngiwavuse abuya ngene la endlini yami asuka kuphi phansi emgodini. So kunamadoda la ahlala entabeni sesikhuluma ngento ukuthi maybe into le bayithumela ukuthi izoganga ikhalakho ubuloyi lo ukuthakathi because of mawuceda ukuchela awazwani namanzi lapho wachela bathi siyabuya wena sizokukhombisa bahamba bagijimela entabeni. So after malanga bazi udala umuthwale umuntu ubaleke abuya futhi azohlala. So yibo lawo madoda engawazi mina lawo mina umehluko phezulu kwamadoda amafishane ngazi ukuthi is two different thing. Into yakhela ukuthi mhlambe yolala nabantwana babantu or hamba imoshe konke la uthokuza usashadi wena ngoba ubizulalana nesilwane ongasazi yiwo la. So that's why mawuzochela wena adla phansi entabeni mawuqeda lapho bakala kudwala umuthi loya usashisa na mawatho ukuthi manje la sikhuluma ngawe ukuthatha imali nani afuna ubethele njani azongena la thatha imali aphuma awavunjwa ilutho la wahlala entabeni ahlala ekhaya
Niggas naye awafuni endlini yakhe.
Nama bafuni njani.
And I don't want to step on toes because bazongfonela abanye. All right, but anyway, that's the difference. Just to add on what Prof said, the guys they have a different purpose, and then now they are made just like Prof and Zawa. It's just that you can't keep those stuff. And then I also know some of them are even they actually abandon those things. That is why Collins in the mountains to go and trap them. But that's a different story. That's next level. I know, it's fine. But anyway, Prof,